Welcome to this week's drone news from Drone U. We've got a packed episode, so let's dive right in and break down what's happening in the world of drones and what it means for you as a drone pilot. First up, the Mavic 4 Pro has been leaked through FCC filings, and wow, this is shaping up to be one powerful bird. Improved flight times, better camera optics, and enhanced obstacle avoidance are just the start. DJI is pushing boundaries again, but here's the catch. Don't expect a Mavic 4 Enterprise. Rumor has it DJI is focusing its enterprise efforts on the Matrice 4. What does this mean for drone pilots? DJI's dominance could get an upgrade, just in time for a potential ban to shake things up. Stay tuned for more on this brewing storm. In other news, the FAA has implemented sweeping airspace restrictions over New Jersey, leaving many drone pilots scratching their heads. While exceptions exist for commercial operators with a statement of work, there's no clear process for submitting those requests, except through the FAA's SGI office. This overreach has the potential to disrupt legitimate drone operations. Our advice? Get familiar with the SGI process now, so you're not grounded when it matters most. This TFR creation was conducted under national security definitions of temporary flight restrictions. The government is stating there are no problems with the drones in New Jersey, but they're also shutting down the airspace over sensitive infrastructure. So are there real security issues or just precautions? Now for some good news. The FCC has opened up the 6 GHz band to low-power devices. This could be a game changer for American drone manufacturers. Companies like Doodle Labs could use this to create more reliable and advanced transmission systems, boosting domestic manufacturing efforts. For drone pilots, this means future drones might come with better connectivity and less interference. Big win for the industry. And lastly, the FBI is reminding everyone, don't shoot down drones or airplanes, and definitely don't point lasers at them. These actions aren't just reckless, they're criminal and could cause catastrophic accidents. As drone pilots, we can play a role in educating the public. Just because something is flying doesn't make it dangerous. Let's spread awareness and keep the skies safe for everyone. So, what's the takeaway this week? The Mavic 4 Pro could leapfrog American competition, but the FAA ban clock is ticking. Know your SGI processes. Overreaching TFRs are here, and we need to be prepared. American drones are improving, and the 6 GHz band could accelerate innovation. And finally, let's educate the public. The skies belong to everyone, but safety and knowledge are key. Thanks for tuning in to Drone News. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on everything drones. Fly safe and keep innovating.